Very good morning. Welcome to one and all. Thank you for joining.
Good
Good
morning, sir.
morning, sir.
Very good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Already we are aware of Jenkins. We are in the middle of the Jenkins. Everybody, if you are sitting in front of your system, how to open Jenkins? Please respond. Simply, we are opening new tab. Simply, we are opening new tab. We are giving the local host, local host, local host, colon, our port number. What is our port number? 9090.
9090.
Everybody know what is the default port number of Jenkins? Default port number of Jenkins is the
8080.
8080
8080.
8080. Here, according to our scenario, at the time of installation, we provided 9090. Just press enter. This is the first way to open Jenkins. You may ask me, sir, is there any other way to open Jenkins? Yes. Click new tab, take 127.127.0.0.0.1 colon colon. What is our port number? 909090. Is it opening or not? Tell me. Is it opening or not? Yes, it is open.
It's open.
This is localhost related IP address. This is the IP address. You may ask me, sir, is there any other way to open? Localhost is there. 127.0.0 is there. Everybody, Windows key ARM. Windows key RCMD. Here I am giving IP config. IP config. Here I am getting my IPv4 address. Is it IPv4 address or not? Yes, it is IPv4 address. I am trying to copy Control C. Control C. Yes, it is copied. Now I'm taking new tab. I'm paste it over here. Paste it over here. Colon 9090. Now check it. Is it opening or not? Yes, it is opening. These are the different ways to open our Jenkins application. Got Jenkins server. This is the server, or may simply we may call is a tool. But what is the default one generally we are giving? I am closing this one. Even I am closing this one. I am an original one. What is that? Localhost colon 9090. Localhost colon
9090.
9090. Now here I am trying to delete all the jobs. I am trying to delete all the jobs. Here is the delete is there. Check it here. Delete is there. Delete project. Delete project. Here also I am deleting. I am creating fresh project or new job. Everybody know. Click on new item. New
Item.
item. Here I am giving test project. Test project. Test project. Clicking freestyle project. Click OK. Yesterday we did some steps. Yesterday I did three things. Yesterday I did three things. Before going to this, we are going to the definition of CA. Definition of CA.
CA.
Notepad. Shivaji, tell me the definition of CA. CA. Don't tell the abbreviation. I need the definition of CA. Is the
Continuous.
process of is the process of is the process of automating
Automating the build.
Automating
automating the build,
Build.
right? And
and testing the
Testing the
code.
code.
testing the
Code.
code. Whenever whenever
The
whenever
developer
whenever the developer the developer
pushes
Develop,
the code.
pushes
pushes the code
pushes
into SCM.
the code into SCM.
SCM.
Very, 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 very important. Regularly asking question. Even if you attend 10 interviews, in 10 interviews, they may ask the question is, what is CA? Is that simply we can say building and testing the code whenever the developer pushes the code into SCM. One word is there, automating the build. This is the main intention, automating the build. Just we'll see a simple process. Yes, till yesterday, what I did, I built and I tested, but I didn't use the word automate. But I used many times automate, but really I didn't apply automation. Now today, simply I will apply automation. How to apply automation, we'll see. I given the project name or job name is the test project. Description, I am testing. I am testing. You see, I am testing. A simple project. PRO, very simple. Wait. What is the simple project? Very simple. I am not taking yesterday given lengthy project real time related, but I am taking not real time. Very simple. Here, see, I'm going to just build steps in that. What is the first option? Execute Windows batch command.
Batch command.
Execute Windows batch
Batch
command.
command.
Him ask me, sir, that is related to Windows. Observe Windows kia CMD. Windows kia CMD. How many of you know the word echo till now? Even in Linux also. Have you used or not? In Linux? Echo.
Yes,
Echo.
sir. Yes.
Here is welcome to Shivaji. Shivaji. Is it displaying? Is it printing or not? Is it printing or not? Shivaji, I am giving date. Date. Am I getting date or not? 27
Yes, sir.
4 2023. Maybe right or wrong. Am I getting date or not? Shivaji, what is my intention is today date is I want to get like this man. Today date is colon. I want to get like this 27 hyphen 0404 hyphen 2023. Who will tell me? Who will tell? Who will tell? Here it won't print. I want to print like that. Anyone can guide me? Those who knows already. Echo today or no need to use that one. Today date is percentile date date percentage symbol. Percentage or percentile date percentile. See, am I getting or not? Today date is 27 4 2023. Is it clear for you or not? What I use here? Percentage symbol. Percentage symbol. Even today date and time. See, today date and time is. We are printing date. After that, I want to print time also. Percentage time. Percentage. Check it. Today date I printed. Today time also I printed. Just we can say this is the current time. This is the current time. This is which script? Batch script. Batch script. Batch script. Or technical word PowerShell. What is the word ma? PowerShell. In PowerShell, percentage is the symbol. Percentage is symbol. But in Linux shell, in shell script, you may use dollar sign. What is the symbol mother? Dollar sign. Here we are using in PowerShell, in batch script, we are using this symbol, percentage symbol, but in shell script, we may use dollar sign symbol. There is a small difference. There is a small difference. You must remember this one. You must remember this one. Okay. I hope you got the clarity. Now shall we go for automating? Yes, I want to go for automation. You must be. Sir, how can you do this automation? See, I'm writing execute Windows batch command. And now guide me here. What I written there? What was I written? Echo, echo. Today, I want to print today date. Today date is, today date is percentage. Tell me, date percentage. Save this, save this. Now I want to try to execute. You know this, right? Build, build. No? It is building or not? Yes, it is. Build succeeded or not? Yes. Click on that build. Check the output. Am I getting today date is 27/4/2023? Build is success or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. But this build you want to execute, you want to execute. What is our technical word? What is our technical word? What I said? Automatic. Automatic. How can you do automate? How can we do automation? Going to test project. Going to test project. If you want to do some modifications and manipulations, which option you need to select? Which option?
Configure.
Configure.
Configure, configure, click configure, click configure. Just, just go for the word build triggers. Only based on the build triggers, we can set automation. We can apply automation. The automation can be done with the help of build triggers within that area only possible to do. See, what is the option, ma? Observe and tell me. Build periodically. Build periodically. Now, it will take five arguments, ma. Five arguments. Star, space star, space star, space star, space star. Star, 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 star. How many stars are there? First we'll see. We'll try to execute then we'll discuss all these things. Shall we go for that? First, what I am doing? I am saving this. I am saving this. Once I saved this, observe on my screen. Observe on my screen. What happening?
Yes.
Just within a minute, you may get second build. Within a minute, we may get second build. I am not doing anything. Even my mouse is also not moving. Check it. Wait, wait, wait for a while. Once if you feel 1 minute is finished, sir, then we'll check is there any problem is there. Now observe Ramesh.
Yes.
Am I did
Yeah.
anything, Ramesh? No, right?
Build is created.
Even wait,
No, no,
wait
sir.
for 1 more minute, Ramesh. If you get, you may get better feel. Industry may follow similar strategies, may not the same strategy. Many people try to understand same is different, similar is different. You and me having similar characteristics, but you and me not having same characteristics. You may agree with me? You may
Yes,
have
sir.
eyes, I may have eyes, but your eyes is different, my eyes is different. What is the similarity? Maybe eyes. Am I getting third build or not? Third build or not?
Yes, sir. Get it.
Yes, good.
Yes, sir.
Now just what is the problem here? What is the problem? Assume, Ramesh, this our code is having maybe 10,000 lines. 10,000 lines code. For every build, it occupies some memory or not?
Yes,
For
okay.
every build, occupies some memory. Is it really required for every minute? Try to understand and tell me. At the time of practicing, we feel okay, we are exciting, oh, happy because of it is doing multiple builds. In company, they never do such activity. In company, they never do such activity. One facility is there. We are trying to understanding this facility. What is the main drawback? Wastage of memory. Wastage of
Yes, yes.
memory.
Right.
Got the clarity or not? Got the clarity. Keep on doing. We are giving burden to whom? Which server? Jenkins server. This is one server,
Jenkins.
Jenkins server. According to our scenario, Jenkins is a tool, but in reality, this tool is acting like a server. It is serving something. Serving something means doing some activity or not, automating or not. Is it? See, you are sitting in front of your system or not. It will automatically doing multiple builds. Each build occupies some memory. I hope everybody understood. Everybody understood. Shivaji, have you got the clarity or not?
Yes, sir.
Good. Shall we go for next option, Shivaji? What
Okay.
is the next option in the sense? See, first try to understand this, Shivaji. I want to go to configure, right? I want to go to configure. You need to understand what are those five options. What are those five options? See here, Shivaji. Just I am clicking this one. Just I am clicking this one. Automatically, we will get. It will open one option. Opened or not? Yes. Yes. See, one, two, three, four, five options. What are those? Try to observe here. This is the first option. This is the, see, first option is what? Try to read anyone. It represents
Mm,
minute,
minute.
minutes. Here, minute is there. You try to understand. First option represents minutes.
Minutes.
Second option represents hour or
Hour.
hours.
Hour.
Here, day of month. You may ask me, sir, what is day of month? See, 1 to
1
28,
day.
1 to 29, 1 to 30, 1 to 39. Got it or not? Day of
Got
month.
it.
Within a month, maybe in January, maybe 30 or 31st. Tell me anyone. January. I think maybe 31st, right? January 30 or 31st, last end of the day.
31st.
31st. I hope you understand it. In February, if it is leap year, 29.
29.
If it
28.
is normal year, maybe 28, right?
28.
28.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Minute is there, hour is there. Try to remember, ma. They are asking in interview. What are those options? Minute, hour, day of month. I hope you understood day of month. See, month. Month means 1 to 12. Jan, Feb. Last one is December. See here clearly they mention minute is nothing but 0 to 59. 0 to 59 minutes. We never say 60th minute. 60th minute means what? 1 hour. 59 over 59 is crossing means moving to hours. Moving to hours. See, 99 pies. After that, you may not say 100 pies. That is what? 1 rupee. Everybody got right? Everybody got it. Same a month, 1 to 12 months. See, day of week. Day of week means here is every month having 4 weeks. Every week having 7 days.
7 days.
Those 7 days are mentioning maybe Sunday to Monday or Monday to Sunday are mentioning day of week. Day of week. See here, you may ask me, sir, day of week, many people may have a doubt. See, 0 to 7 means how many days, ma? Count it, anyone? 0 to 7. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4.
8.
Really, for a week, 8 days are there,
No, no,
No,
7 days.
sir.
where 0 and 7 both are Sunday. Try to observe me. 0 means Sunday. 0 means Sunday. Next, 1 means Monday. Try to count in that way. What is the seventh one? Try to note down in your computer, maybe in your notepad. 0 means Sunday. Next, seventh, what it may come?
Sunday.
14. Suppose if I return 14, 14 what it may come? Again Sunday. 21 what it may come? Again Sunday. If it is divisible by factors of 7, factors of 7, that is Sunday. Got it or not? If I took 8, if I took 8, what it represents? That means Monday, right? 7 ones are 7. What is the remainder? 1. 1 represents Monday. I hope you got the clarity or not. Clear or not? Minute, hour, day of month, and day of week. Now see, here you want to give by 2. What does it mean? For every second minute, for every second minute, for every second minute, then only will trigger. Save it. Just wait for a while. Just see your watches or see the timer. Check it. In previous scenario, for every 1 minute, build has been triggered. Now, from hereafter, for every second minute, then only build has been triggered. I think Shivaji, is it executed or not? After 2 minutes only, it will execute. For every second minute. For every second minute. This is the way. Suppose. Now simply we're moving to next step, but I'm mentioning here. See, for every Friday, you want to mention. For every Friday, you want to execute this. For every Friday. You tell me. For every Friday in the sense, Friday means what is the number? Count it and tell me. 0, 1, 2, 3, like that. Anyone can count it and tell me. Measure it.
It's right.
Fine.
Five.
I hope you got it. For every leaf year. According to our diagram, year represents what? Day. Here is the month, right? Here is the month. This is what? This is the what? Hours. This is what? Day of month. This is
Day
what?
of month.
Day of month.
Month.
Day of month Shivaji or maybe Ramesh. I am giving
Yes, sir.
29. What does it mean? 29 means
It will take 29th day.
29th. When it will come? 29. When it will come? 29. After 4 years, I think
4 years.
leap year. At leap year only it
Late.
will
Okay.
execute. According to
Yes.
our date and time, at leap years only it will execute. Are you understanding or not?
Yes,
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 sir.
understand, sir.
I hope you got
If we are
minimum.
giving 28, it will take 1 year, right?
1 year, very good. 1 year, very good, very good. Even that year, which day? Which day it will execute?
28.
Only Friday. Only Friday. Remaining days
Okay.
it won't execute. See, in real time builds, even I said that. What about delivery? Delivery will happen every Friday. Is it possible or not? Every Friday. But if it is regular build, snapshot I said somewhere. That's what. Snapshot will execute at any day, at any time, at any day, at any time. Even for every half an hour, for every 1 hour, for every 1 hour. Observe here, for every 1 hour. Here is 0. Here is 1. Now tell me what does it mean? For every 1 hour, for every 1 hour, it will execute. See, for every 1 hour, 45 minutes. For every 1 hour, 45 minutes. Even we can give star by 45 or directly 45. That is not a problem. Both are same. Both are same. Don't think otherwise. Ramesh, got it or not?
Yes, I got it, sir.
For every 1 hour, 45. For every 1 hour, see, I think day of the week, right? This is the 10th day. 10th day. 10th day. Next. What is the next one? I think
Date
February.
of month.
Feb means 2, right? Feb means 2.
Two.
Only Monday I want. Only Monday. If directly without explaining me, if I give like this, if I ask you, you may panic or not. Sir, what it is, sir? So what is 45? What is 1? What is 10? What is 2? What is 1? Now you know the first one represents minutes. For every 45th minute, for every 1 hour, for every this is 1 hour, right? For every 1 hour, got it? Now here
Mm. Yes, sir.
Hours represent 0 to 23 ma. 23. Up to you can give 23. 0 means, uh, 0 means maybe default. Here I representing for every 1 hour. For every 1 hour here that represent 45. Here 0 means no hours, only minutes. I hope you got it. Every
Yes,
45th
sir.
minute. Here if I represent 1 hour 45 minutes. You may ask me, sir, for 10 hours? Yes, it is possible. It represents what? 23 hours, 45th minute. 22 hours, 45th minute. Clear or not? Clear or not? This is very, very important. Technically, they are asking question. Do you know? Do you know about? I am going to notepad, ma. The word. How many of you know? How many of you aware of? I don't know. CRON. Cron tap. Cron tap. Or CRON. Cron job. Cron job. Cron job. You may ask me, what is cron? Cron means time. Cron means time related job. Time related job. Am I setting time or not? When your build wants to execute. Am I setting or not? See, spread. Spread only, right? Load early by using H by 45. H by 45 means 45th minute,
Hour.
23
Hours.
hours. What is that? Day 10. What is that? February. What is that?
Yeah,
Monday.
First.
Monday.
Even rather than they may give see h by 45, here I am giving star by 45, star by 45, both are same. See, the schedule will match, dates only rarely, right? Here is example February 29th or never. Example, June 31st. So this job may be triggered. What about very rarely, if at all? If you said February 29th, 29 means every 4 year, right? Every fourth year.
Yes.
Only
Yes,
leaf
sir.
year. Okay. I think I am clear, right? What about you? You got the clarity or not?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Yes, very good. Very good. And now I am going to second triggering. Second triggering. Removing this. Now, very, very powerful one. Poll SCM. Poll SCM. My even one interview, maybe 15 days back, I attended one interview. They asked me, pool SCM. Maybe some people may pronounce different way. POLL. I may call poll SCM. Poll SCM. A poll is nothing but collecting or gathering. Poll is nothing but SCM means collecting or gathering. I'm clicking POLL. You know source code management, right? Again, I'm giving star. You know the star, space star, space star, space star, space star, space. Maybe Shravani, are you there, ma? Yes. I'm giving like this. Now, is it valid or not? Anyone can guess it?
Not valid, sir.
No, sir.
100% valid, Shivaji. A space is required. How many spaces is not mandatory? I hope have you understood all.
Okay, sir.
Here, now if I ask you, you may say, now it is invalid, sir. Why it is invalid?
They have give to the many spaces, sir.
Here. Second scenario. Second scenario in the sense, I removed space, Shivaji.
Okay.
Space is mandatory, but how many spaces is not important. I hope you are aware of.
Okay, sir.
Got the clarity?
Yes, sir.
Right. Right. Good. Now my intention is, see, I am going to give now, one space. Here is star, here is star, here is star, here is star. Here, see, what does it mean? Whole SCM, the name itself SCM, right? SCM is nothing but what, anyone? Source code management. Now, when this option is very important, our Jenkins going to talk to GitHub. Jenkins is going to talk with whom? GitHub. They are not saying GitHub. SCM source code management. So many source code managements are there. I said right. Shravani, tell me three to four source code management names.
GitHub, Bitbucket,
Good.
uh,
GitLab,
GitLab,
SVN.
SVN.
Yeah, right. Similar way, similar names. Got it or not?
Yes, yes,
Those things. Now, Shivaji, clearly it is saying, right, we need to go and get right. That's why I am selecting it. Based on the option, we are going next option. We are not going blindly. Concept
Okay.
demanding, we are going there. Now, Shivaji, where should I go? My GitHub. My
GitHub.
GitHub. Good, GitHub. There I am selecting my Maven project. You know very well. Very well. Now see. Now you know how to select the URL.
Oh, yes, sir. Copy that.
Yes. Copy that. That's all right. Observe whenever you are whenever you are copying URL, you must check your branch name. That is very, very important. Without knowing, blindly you copy your URL, you may fail. You may fail in execution. You may fail in I will show you how I can fail. Just I'm clicking here. I'm pasting over here my URL. I felt that everything is fine. I felt that everything is fine. Even I am not modifying here Shivaji. What is the default branch name? What is the default branch name? Master only. I know.
Master.
Master
Master.
only. But
Master.
according to my repo, what is my branch name?
Main, sir.
Main. Now I am trying to save it. I am trying to save it. I am going to build now. Manual build I am doing. Manual build. I need to check, right? Is it working properly or not? Now build failed, build failed. See, how can I know why it is build failed? As a professional, we must understand. We try to go for the log information. When can I get log information? The console output is nothing but the log information. Why it is failed? Couldn't find any revision to build, verify the repository and branch configuration. Clearly it is saying, hey, go to repository, search for the branch, search for the branch.
Branch.
Okay, okay, I am going to repo, I am searching for branch. Oh, branch is main, branch is main. Again, I am coming to here. You know it, going to test project, going to configure, then now guide me here. Now guide me here. Simply you need to
Main.
modify in place
Main.
of master main. Good. Main. Main. Now I'm saving. I'm rerunning which one? Rerunning which one? Just what is that? Build now, right?
Build now.
Manual build I'm taking. Now it is executed, right?
Yes.
Now observe. Am I set pollscm or not? Tell me. Am I already set it, right? Pollscm. Pollscm is there or not? Where is that pollscm? After this. And now I set it, right? Now wait for a while. Check it. Is it getting 18th build or not? Tell me. Check it and tell me. Am I getting 18th build or not? 18th build or not? Wait a minute, ma. Check it and tell me. Is it will execute or not? You only tell me. I will wait up to that. See for at least 1 minute time. One minute is finished or not? You see in our watches, check it and tell. Many people may feel, oh, something goes wrong. That's why it may not execute. Everything is fine, ma, but it may not execute. Even if you wait for 10 minutes, it won't execute. Which build, ma?
18th
18th,
building.
18th building. Shivaji, you want to know the rule, right? Why it is not executing?
Yes, sir.
Right, Shivaji. Shivaji, what is the duty of poll SCM? Now, I'm coming to our notepad. Observe carefully. Poll, PO, PO, poll,
All
SCM.
see.
It is, see, observe carefully. Our Jenkins talking to TALK, talking to what about Git? Jenkins is talking to Git for every 1 minute. 1 minute. MINUT. What it is talking, that is important. Jenkins is talking to Git for every 1 minute. What it is talking? Hey repo, is there any modification? Any modification in your code? In your code. Have you understood my sentence? Jenkins is talking to Git for every 1 minute. Hey repo, is there any modification in your
In our
code?
code.
Our repo means Git. GitHub will say nothing is modified. Jenkins will keep on silent. Jenkins is keep on silent. Ma, what I am saying, are you understanding? In Telugu, who is talking to whom? Ma, Jenkins
It
is
is
talking to
Git.
Git repository. What it is talking? Is there any modification in our area? What Git is saying? Nothing is modified. Jenkins is again waiting. Jenkins is again waiting. That's why now check it. Are you getting any 18th build? No, right? No, right? Shivaji, now observe. I am going here, right? I am doing some modification. You know how to do the modification? This is our project. Within the project, you take any one file. That is your wish. You tell me, Shivaji, which file I need to select? Which file can I select?
Jenkins file, sir. First one.
Jenkins file, whatever it is, just you set one file. There, I'm editing. See, I'm writing, not I'm writing. Enter. Maybe line. Just I pressed three enters, right? Three
Yes, sir.
enters. Next, once you do small modification, even one space also, according
Modified.
to modification, something happen. Again, you need to go for commit. Once you committed, something has been changed or not? Respond.
Yes, sir.
Something
Change it,
has
sir.
been changed or not?
Yes,
Once
sir.
it is
Yes,
changed.
still.
Once it is changed. Now just wait for a while. Wait for a while. What happens? We'll check it. Hey, Shivaji, are you observing?
Yes, sir.
In the quiet
Awesome.
period means it is waiting for 1 minute. After 1 minute, going to talk. Hey, GitHub, is there any modification? Yes, I something modified. Ma, how it will check it, ma? You may ask me a question. How it will check it? Based on the commit ID. Based on the commit ID. See, if nothing is modified, Jenkins is having old commit, right? Jenkins is having old commit, right? Even see, Shivaji, even see, just I am opening this somewhere commit ID. See that revision. This is nothing but commit ID. Shivaji, got it or not?
Yes, sir.
Based on the commit ID, see GitHub. This one
Web.
is this is actually webhook. Even I applied SCM already. Webhook also configured. but this is not the right one. Only this is started by SCM change. This is the right one till now.
Okay, sir.
Started by an
An
SCM
SCM
change.
change.
Source code management change. Change occurred. Change occurred. What are the changes may happen? References, remotes,
Remote
origin,
origin
main
main.
branch. Here it may be changed. Origin main means remote branch. Remote branch means our original server. Local server or central server? Respond anyone? It represents what? Local server or central server?
Central service.
Wherever origin is there, simply blindly we can say central server. The name itself giving remotes. What it is changing? References. References means head also reference, right? I explained to you. Reference head. Head is referencing to whom? Master or main. Main is referencing to whom? Commit ID. Commit ID. I hope everybody got it. Everybody got it. Clear or not? Tell me.
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Even now you may not get 19th build. Check it. I'm only 18, right? Even you wait for 1 hour. You never get 19th. When will you get 19th build?
After
Again,
1 hour.
again if you do small change. Here also small drawback is there. What is the small drawback? Anyone guess it? What is the small drawback here? Jenkins talking to Git for every 1 minute. For every 1 minute. Is it required or not? For every 1 minute, what it is doing? Talking to whom? Who is talking? Jenkins. To whom it is talking?
Git.
Git repository.
Git repository.
Yeah. Ma really is it wants to talk for every minute, time wasting or not? See, keep on I'm asking. For 1 hour, I asked 1,000 times. Can I teach? No. Only are you there? Do you understood? Have you understood? These things only happening. That is not good, right? Sometimes I may not talk to you, but if you have a doubt, you may interrupt me, right? You may interrupt me, right? That is the good practice or not? Here only one drawback is there. What is the drawback? Again, respond. Time waste. Time waste. Are you agree with me or not? Time waste. What is the time wasting process? For every minute, who is talking to whom? Jenkins is talking to whom? I want to stop that. I want to stop that. You may ask me, sir, how can you stop? How can you mention that option? See, I'm going to new option. New option. Any doubt, my dear? Here we're having web hook. Web hook. What is the option, ma? Web hook. Web hook. Now see, I am showing that option. We can easily understand. We can easily understand. There I am going to configure, configure, just see the option. See the option. I am removing the pollscm. Removing the pollscm. See, GitHub hook trigger for git scm
Git.
polling. GitHub hook. Hook is nothing but link. Hook is nothing but link. Hook means I am selecting this. I am selecting. Here, it is showing any timing. Is it showing any timing? Please respond. Is it showing any front tab? Front tab? No, right?
No, sir.
It is not showing. Save it, Shivaji. Save it. That's all. But you may ask me. My in Windows, GitHub webhook will not work now. GitHub hook log will not work. But I'll show you. Same thing I'll show you in Linux. Sir, what it is, what happening here? You need to understand. You need to understand. Once you selected that option, simply going to, before going to that, copy this path. What is the path? This path. Jenkins path. Jenkins path. Copy. Copy this. Now simply Jenkins. I copied Jenkins only or not? Which one here? Where is our Jenkins? This is not the Jenkins. Control Z. Okay, this is localhost 9090. This is as usual. I'm not touching this. Again, you may confuse. Now I am in. Jenkins. I'm going to GitHub. Now, observe carefully. What is your project name? Respond. What is your project name?
Maven project, sir.
Project.
Generally, our Jenkins is going to talk with the Maven project. You know, right? You know, right? I'm clicking project. Observe carefully. There, I'm in project. Are you agree with me? I'm in my project. Within the project, what is the option, ma? What is the option here?
Settings. Settings,
Settings.
sir.
Shall I click on this?
Okay, sir.
Which settings, ma? Project
Ma-
settings, not GitHub settings, ma. See, everybody may. I am giving first confusion, ma. I am providing confusion. See, here I am. Here also. Here also. Shivaji, what it is there?
Git settings, sir.
This is the GitHub settings.
Okay.
If I didn't explain, in future what you may do? You may go here, you may modify something, you may gather something that facts are not visible for you. Again, you may ask me, you may interrupt me. Sir, I am not able to view what you said. Now observe, I am clicking my project. Within the project, what it is there? Settings is there.
Settings.
Now observe, if I scroll down, knowingly or unknowingly, what it is there, ma?
Webhooks, sir.
Webhooks. Shall I click? Yes. Shall I click? Yes. Just delete this one. Just delete this. Am I deleted or not? If really you are the proper person, no one can have the right to delete. Only authorized people. Only authorized people only can delete it. That's why what it is asking. If you are the authorized, you must give your password. Are you agree with me? Are you understanding? If I am authorized, then only I may give password. Right. Is it deleted or not? Is it deleted or not? Respond.
Yes, sir.
What is the option here?
Add webhook.
Yes, good. See, system is showing one example. One example. See, I'm removing this, control V. I said, what is the option I need to select, ma? What is the option? Going to Jenkins. In that Jenkins, this one you want to copy it. This one you want to copy it. Now I am going to here. Am I pasting? Paste. This is which one, ma? Jenkins server path. Are you agree with me? Jenkins server path. Why I am giving Jenkins server path? Who is talking to whom? Who is talking to whom? Please respond.
Jenkins talk to the GitHub, sir.
GitHub.
Jenkins
Where?
talks to
According to our story, Jenkins is talking to GitHub. Whenever you are coming to webhook, GitHub is talking to Jenkins. GitHub is talking to Jenkins. See, day 1, day 2, day 3, I am interacting with each and everyone for proper communication, for rapport. From third day onwards, you are interacting with me. I may not interact with you. Why you may interact with me? Whoever having doubt, those people will interact with me, right? Shivaji, got it or not?
Yes, sir. Got it.
In the same way, here you must type GitHub hyphen webhook. This is the additional thing you need to add. GitHub webhook. Is it clear or not? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
This,
Clear.
here content type, content type. Just this one you need to select application JSON. You may ask me, sir, what is application? What is JSON? JavaScript object notation. The output format should be JSON, JavaScript object notation. JavaScript object notation. Many people may have a doubt, sir, how JSON will be there? I'll tell you, ma. Whenever if you are coming to the Ansible, whenever if you are coming to the Ansible, or if you are coming to the AWS, there I will explain clearly what is JSON, how to write JSON code, how to write JSON code. Till now, try to understand. Oh, JSON one format is there. What is JSON stands for anyone? JavaScript, JavaScript object notation. JavaScript object notation. Ma memorize ma. Technical term you must memorize. Otherwise you may blame. Those people will blame you. In interview also, without knowing JSON, how can you write YAML files? How can you write scripts? They may ask you, sir, I don't know abbreviation. I can write thousands of lines. That is meaningless. Got it or not? You may
Yes,
ask
sir.
me. My name is P. Lakshmipati. You may ask me what P stands for. No, I don't know. I may ask. I will ask to. I may ask to my father. Again, you may laugh. You. P means some. Meaning is there, right? Some. Same way. That is the initial. Initial having some meaning. Same way here. JSON stands for JavaScript Object Notation. Now see what I am doing. See just the push event or send me everything. What is the difference? If you use the push, git push origin, then only it will work. Suppose if I select this, send me everything. If you do small modification, in previous scenario, I given small space also, right? Am I provided small space, right?
Yes, sir.
Even at that time also, who is talking to whom according to our scenario? GitHub will go and talk to Jenkins. GitHub will go and talk to Jenkins. Even only election time, MLAs, MPs are talking to people. Remaining 4 years, 4 years,
People
11 months,
talking to.
people will go and wait, will go and interact with those. What about people? Are you agree with me or not?
Yes, sir.
Which is the best thing? That persons will not go and talk to everyone, but according to our requirement, according to our problem, we are going to interact same way. Who is talking to whom here? Our GitHub will go
Talk
and talk to Jenkins. You
Jenkins.
may ask me, sir, what is the advantage here? Seema, if any modification is there, then only GitHub will go and interact with Jenkins. Hey Jenkins, something modified. You take it. When it is modified, we don't know. Whenever it modifies, then only it will go and talk to Jenkins. Now, Jenkins will not keep on checking to GitHub. GitHub only will talk to whom? GitHub only will talk to whom? Jenkins. Are you understanding or not? Now, these two are contradictory. Contradictory means opposite. Poll SCM means who is talking to whom? Jenkins is talking to Git.
GitHub.
Webhook means what? GitHub is talking to Jenkins.
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 Which is the good functionality? Which is the better functionality in the sense? Webhook is the powerful concept. Webhook is the powerful concept. Shall I try to add webhook? Shall I click on this? I may get an error. I may get an error. See, check it, ma. If no error, no problem. Here, see, there was an error. Setting up your hook. Sorry, the URL host, local host is not supported because it is not reachable over the public internet. Ramesh, you may ask me, sir, I don't know. You need to configure it. You need to configure it at any cost. What shall I do? As a DevOps engineer, I want to configure. What can I do? Already you know here somewhere where is the prompt? This one, ma. You know this one, right? IPv4 address. Got it or not? This is the IP address, ma.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Control C copy. Control C copy. I'm going to GitHub webhook. GitHub webhook. Where is that? This one only? No, this one I think, right? Yes. Now please observe. Please observe. Removing this. Removing this. Control B. Control V. Am I clear or not? Tell me. In place of localhost, I used which one? IP address. Is it valid or invalid? That's what I have I shown to you in previous scenario. Why I shown to you in the sense I know here I require that. Now please observe. Add webhook. Okay, everything fine for us. There is see even okay. The hook was successfully created. Are understanding? Even saying okay, no problem. The hook was successfully created. We sent a ping payload to test it out. Read more about. Okay, something is giving. But anyway, First, you need to refresh You need to refresh it. Here, what it is showing warning, right? What is
Yes, sir.
showing warning?
Warning.
We'll check it really. Actually, we need to get tick mark. We need to get tick mark. We'll check it. Shall I go and refresh it? Refresh. It is warning only there. But anyway, we'll check it. That's what I said. That's what I said. Something problem in Windows based in Linux, everything will work. That's why in real time Linux based only they are using. Now anyway, we'll try to modify. We'll try to modify. Where I need to modify, please respond. Where I need to modify within our project. Within our project. Within our project. Now what I want to do here. Before going to this, take this Patma, take this one, take this one. IP already there, right? Shivaji, going to
Yes.
here in place of local host, try to change this one also. Otherwise, you may confuse. Same path you need to give, same path. Now, what is the username? Admin, right?
Admin.
What is the password? Admin,
Admin,
right?
sir.
Good. What is our job? Same project, right? Same job,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Even check it. Same thing is there or not. Going to configure. Click on
Configure.
configure. Everything is properly available or not. See which option got selected. Check it. Which option got selected? GitHub webhook.
GitHub.
Now, what is the latest build? What is the latest build? Now, you need to check it. Click on here, 18. If you modify something, you may get 19. That is our wish, right? That
Yes,
is
sir.
our wish. Now, you check it. I think whenever their code modifies, then only it will modify. Then only it will modify. That is our intention. We'll try in that. Now, going to already refreshed. Even I am trying to change Jenkins file. There I want to click on here where I am removing spaces. Now I am going to modify, commit changes. After committing something modified, right? Going to here. Now wait for some time. If it really modifies, we feel very happy. If it is not modified, no problem. Same option. I'll show you in Linux environment. But you need to know how to configure. How to configure. I said many times, only 10% people are using Windows based, remaining 90% using only Linux based. Why? These are the some problems. But in company, I said right. Generally, we are purchasing two versions. I said, I am going to Notepad. I'll try to explain. Just observe. I am writing Shivaji. You try to tell me what is CE, what is EE. Shivaji, which
Sir.
Jenkins today I am using? Community Edition Jenkins. Community Edition Jenkins.
Wait, sir.
Community Edition Jenkins. Community Edition. Community Edition means simply we can say OSS. OSS. What is OSS, Ramesh? Open source software. Open source
Open
software.
source.
If it is open source, no help, no support, no support. See, here something went wrong. Are you agree with me? Something went wrong in the sense I got warning, right?
Yes, sir.
We don't know how to rectify. We did well, Shivaji. We did well, but
Yes,
it
sir.
is not working. Are you agree with me or not?
Yes, sir.
This is enterprise edition. Enterprise edition. We need to pay. We need to pay.
Enterprise.
Enterprise edition. ENTERPRISE. Enterprise. Enterprise edition. Enterprise edition in the sense proprietary. Proprietary means everything. Rights are reserved. Rights are reserved. You need to pay. What they will provide? They will provide support. Support. Support in the sense, yes, something went wrong. They will provide support for us. They will provide extra plugins. They will provide extra configuration. Extra configuration. It may work. Are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
Till now, anybody having any doubt? Please respond. Today we did build automation. Build automation, not build, build automation. Simply build triggers. 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 What type of triggers we did, Sivaji? You tell me. One, two, three. Only three types. Build
Build
autom. Build automatically. Automatically. Are you agree with me? Build automatically. One option. Second option is poll. Poll. Poll SCM.
pollscm.
What is the third option?
Webhook, sir.
Webhook. Webhook. See, in build, even build periodically, that is the technical word. Build periodically. PRIODACALL. Very, very important. Build periodically means based on the time, based on the time, based on the time, it will, based on the time, it will execute every 1 minute, every 2 minutes. Your memory wasting, time wasting. Even processor also, we're wasting the processing speed, right? We're wasting the process. In
Yes, sir.
pollscm, Jenkins, Jenkins,
Talk to
Jenkins,
GitHub.
talk to,
GitHub.
talk to GitHub, GitHub. Good. Now coming to webhook,
Git
GitHub,
talk
GitHub,
GitHub
talk
talking,
to,
sir.
talking
GitHub
to, talking to
Jenkins.
Jenkins. Now, among these three, which is more powerful? Which is more powerful? Webhook is the more powerful. You may ask me. Sir, industry, how many people they may use webhook? Again, 50% people only. You may ask me. It is more powerful. Why they are using only 50%? Ma, many people may not having may not having root account details. Root account in the sense, this GitHub account, user ID, password. Even if you are working in company people may not provide GitHub user ID, provide ma, they will create internal user. What does it mean? That means here root account means not having admin account. See, Shivaji,
Yes,
admin details will not provide. Are you agree with me or not? Admin details.
yes, sir.
If you are the manager, if you are the administrator, then only you may have your user, you may have that company user ID, password. That company account user ID, password. If really you are having company account user ID, password, very easy to implement. If without having user id, password, without having that GitHub id, password, you can easily work with what? pollscm. That's why
Pollscm.
in 98%, 98% people may use. Yeah, don't add it 98 plus 50. Sorry, it is moving more than 100. Yeah, commonly I'm saying majority of the people, that means 98% people, they may go with pollscm. Here no need of GitHub user ID, GitHub password. But here must require user ID, password. Without user ID, password, you can't work with which one, ma? Webhook. But webhook is more powerful than pollscm. Till now, anybody having any doubt? Even I am refreshing this. Check it. That is not moving to 19th one, right? Everybody
Yes,
understood. That is the drawback. That is the problem. Even that is a bug, ma. That is the bug in where? In Windows. How to resolve this bug in the sense? Tomorrow class, we may move to which one? Linux based, same things tomorrow I may do with Linux. But everybody must having, again and again I'm saying, everybody try to create which one? Account, AWS account. If there is no account, there is no use. There is no use. You may face many difficulties. Please try to create your account. Even with the debit card also account is creating, Shivaji. With the
yes,
debit
sir.
card also. You try to create debit card.
Okay, sir.
Good. Thank you for one and all. If any doubt is there, try to ask me. Otherwise, we can wind the session. Anybody having any doubt? I am waiting for 2 minutes, ma.
No, sir.
No doubt. Those who are having no doubt, Try to ask me, ma'am.
Sir, once we have given that period